The Indian farmer and his cattle share a relationship of love and respect. This has been a living tradition that continued since the beginning of civilization in this dominantly agricultural nation. Today, India accounts for 15% of the world's cattle population, the largest in the world. To make best use of this potential, it's important to ensure their robust health through nutrition. A situation that calls for high-quality cattle feed with balanced proportions of all essential nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, fat, and minerals. This needs to be available at competitive prices because feed alone constitutes about 60 to 70% of the total cost of livestock sustenance. Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology, or CIPHET, a premier institute of ICAR, has come up with a unique and innovative technology under the NAIP sub-project on value chain on potato and potato products. Potato waste create disposal problems for the processing industry, but after proper treatment, they become invaluable ingredients of animal ration. Potato waste replaces food grains in a typical animal feed up to 30%. Pellets have high bulk density and better flow properties, a distinct advantage over regular mashed animal feed.
We have taken up a project on utilization of industrial waste of potato processing industry. In potato processing industry, around 15% of the raw potato is generated as waste in various forms, such as potato pulp, potato chips, cutting fines, starch, etc. We have used all these kind of waste materials from the potato processing industry, and we have added it into compound cattle feed. We could use up to 30% of the potato waste as a component in the feed. Though it is waste for the industry, but as such there is no loss in the nutrition of the potato component, and it can replace the grain component in the feed, thereby reducing the cost of the feed.
The equipments required for production of good quality cattle feed includes grinder mixer, blender, hammer mill, vertical pelletizer, horizontal pelletizer, dryer, and packaging system. The preparation of potato waste enriched feed involves assimilating the chief ingredients: potato pulp, food grains, de-oiled cake, and mineral mixture. Dried waste potato pulp is added at the level of 20 to 30%. Feed ingredients are cleaned, milled in a pulverizer, and then blended before pelletization. The cylindrical shaped pellets of 6 to 8 millimeters diameter are produced in the pelletizer. The wet pellets are then dried for 5 hours at 60 degrees centigrade temperature and then cooled for about 4 to 5 minutes before packing.
The cattle feed which we have produced, we have taken trials on the cattle with the help of the farmers in the nearby villages. They have reported that they have got 10 to 15% increase in the milk yield when they have used this kind of feed.
Due to compact form of feed pellets, all the ingredients enter the body system of the animals on consumption.
ਅਸੀਂ 20-22 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਡੈਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਫਿਟ ਫੀਡ ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮਲਟੀਗ੍ਰੇਨ ਆਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਔਰ ਬੇਸਡ ਆਲੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਬੜੇ ਅੱਛੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਫੈਟ ਵੀ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਹੈ।
Another dairy vendor has also revealed that by using this CIPHET feed, he also got milk production from his buffalo enhanced by 10 to 15%.
ਮੈਂ ਹਰਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਪਿੰਡ ਪ੍ਰਤਾਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਛੋਟੀ ਡੈਰੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 4 ਡੰਗਰ ਹਨ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਦੁੱਧ ਘੱਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸਨ। ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਸੀਫੀਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਟਲ ਫੀਡ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੰਗਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੀਫੀਡ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੈਟਲ ਫੀਡ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ, ਤਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਵਰਤਣ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਧ ਵਿੱਚ 10-15% ਵਾਧਾ ਹੋਇਆ।
With the rapid progress of dairy in India, demand for good quality animal feed is on the rise. Besides, at the grassroots, every farmer family in India aspires to rear livestock as a source of additional income. 70% of these families already own them. In contrast, the compounded feed manufactured under the organized sector fulfills only about 10% of this demand. This shortage of supply is fast becoming a daunting challenge. The innovative technology developed by CIPHET addresses this crucial need. With these machines and local materials, even farmers from India's rural interiors can start a business of cattle feed making. That's what CIPHET aspires to. This technology has the potential to change the face of livestock farming in India. The first steps are firmly in place. It's time now to take it forward.